Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 1688 latest tips on how to refund for out of stock products on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So after you open up your 1688, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to the product that you want to ask for out of stock refund form. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDViz or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So what's it? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your profile icon right here. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then I'm going to refund for this particular product right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Lastly, we'll go ahead and click on here. And the refund will be successful, just like what you see right here. A refund of 6.80 yen has been successfully returned to my Alipay account. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to close this pop up. By the time I refresh this page, the product will no longer be here. Then I'm going to go ahead and exit from my 1688 and proceed with my Alipay right here. I'm going to open up my Alipay. So here we go. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on our Alipay message right here. Then you can see a notification of payments in our Alipay right here. So you can see a successful refunded right here. So go ahead and click on Alipay notifications. Go ahead and navigate to payments. And I have a successful refund notice right here. It's that simple. So this is how to refund for out of stock products on 1688. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDViz, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.